Today, we're reclaiming simplicity with Docker Swarm for production-ready scaling. Docker Swarm delivers native, production-ready simplicity for orchestrating containerized workloads without the steep learning curve of Kubernetes. Industry teams are tired of hyper-complex orchestration tools that demand dedicated full-time platform squads just to keep the lights on. The reality is that 80% of enterprise workloads simply don't require global-scale complexity, so why pay the cognitive and operational tax? Right-sizing your infrastructure means focusing engineering hours on shipping features instead of babysitting the platform itself. Swarm achieves this because it is built directly into the Docker engine, no extra installations, no external binaries, and nothing new to learn beyond what you already use every day. Turning a standalone host into a Swarm manager takes one command. From there, you define your entire application the same way you always have, with standard Docker Compose files. There are no new configuration schemas or YAML dialects to master. Once the cluster is running, Swarm provides integrated ingress load balancing and an automatic service mesh that distributes traffic across nodes without any extra configuration. Its declarative state model constantly monitors the cluster and self-heals by restarting failed containers until the desired number of replicas is restored. Rolling updates are built in. A single CLI flag triggers zero downtime deployments while Swarm watches health checks and rolls back if anything goes wrong. All node-to-node communication is encrypted by default with mutual TLS. Certificates are generated and rotated automatically, so you never handle them manually. Sensitive data is handled through Swarm's native secrets and configs API. Values are injected into containers only at runtime and never written to disk. This secure-by-default posture stands in contrast to the manual certificate management, hardening checklists, and third-party plugins that more complex orchestrators often require. So, when should you stay on Swarm, and when should you consider a move? Stay while your team values speed, predictability, and a small operational footprint. Consider more advanced abstractions only when you genuinely hit requirements for multi-cloud federation, extreme scale, or specialized workload patterns that justify the added complexity. The operational payoff is clear: a leaner DevOps team, lower tooling costs, and far less context switching. The end result is a streamlined deployment pipeline that prioritizes speed to market and developer happiness over architectural vanity projects. If Swarm is the right size for your team, like the video, subscribe for more practical DevOps content, and drop your current orchestration pain points in the comments.